Hello, vintage outboard and motor fans. This is T-Mike here on Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today's video is on a cosmetic restore for a 1946 5.4 horsepower Evinrude Zephyr. Kind of a unique motor. First time I ever do one like this. It's a 4-cylinder. I got her all taken apart, cleaned and painted. Gas tank bundled up with the dents. All the hoses clean, carburetor clean. Nuts and bolts laid out. As you can see, she's a 4-cylinder. Pretty unique. Colors back then were different, not the newer model blue, the dark forest green. So I'm gonna document putting her back together, all the different stages, and we'll see how she comes out. It's a cosmetic restore. It's not gonna actually run, but it will look pretty. If everybody is ready, here we go. The video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please click on subscribe and tell all your friends about T-Mike's Vintage Outboards YouTube channel. Also, I have dozens of links below in the description. You can find my eBay store, all the parts I have in there. You can find my trusted T-Mike parts, where I make kits for fuel pump conversions, for your carburetors, for your magnetos and your gear cases. You also have a link for my mail-in repair service, how to send me your parts to repair and send them back to you. Also a link in there for technical consulting if you need some help with your vintage motors. So I love what I do. I love all the videos that you guys have requested for me to make. Keep the requests coming in, and I'll keep making the videos. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.